What's going on, YouTube? Anthony Sequeira here with a quick tip for you on AWS, and that is don't stay logged into that console, right? I hope many of you are doing that just from a security perspective. You're in your AWS Management Console. You're doing all this great work. What I want you to do is then go up and sign out. Why I say this is not just because someone can come along behind you and make all kinds of changes to your AWS. Yeah, that's a problem. But something that you will run into that is really problematic is that if you stay signed in and leave this page up, your authentication credentials are certainly going to be timing out. And then what happens is you will come back. It looks like you're logged in just fine, and you will do your mouse clicks and you will send what you think is commands to your, let's say, EC2 instances, and it looks like it worked. But if you look close, you'll see the web page kind of flash. It just re-authenticated you and did not issue those commands. And you don't get any messaging about that. So I've had a situation where I've got these really potentially expensive virtual machines spun up in EC2 because Ronnie Wong and I over at IT Pro TV are teaching the Cisco Firepower course using these. And I'll be lazy and I'll stay logged in and they'll be running. And I'll come in here and I'll select them both and I'll go to the actions menu, instant state, and I'll go to stop them. And it brings up the dialogue. Are you sure you want to do this? I say yes. And then I'll walk away and I never stop the instances because, again, it went to send the commands. It re-authenticated, did not send the commands. So that workflow there would have me go and stop them, and then that authenticates me again, and then I have to go in and actually stop them. So you don't want to get into problems like that. Let's all be diligent about signing out of that AWS Management Console when we are done to avoid this problem, and I'm sure many others that could crop up as a result of being lazy and staying signed in when you shouldn't. Thanks so much for watching this quick tip.